Hey, I appreciate you watching my video today. If you're looking for some simple DIY projects that are coming up for Christmas that you can do yourself, I've got 5 projects that are real simple and really anybody can do them. Now the first one I got for you here, it's becoming really popular this year, is a charcuterie board. It's kind of like a cutting board, just more the French version of it. Real simple to make, and they make really good gift ideas. So the rocking chair here, this is great for an heirloom. It's great for children. There's also ones you can build for adults. My kids love it, and I've made one for a Christmas presents in the past, and it's real simple to do. You can't forget that veteran in your life here. You got the patriotic American flag here. It can be used as a cutting board or decorative piece. You can put a blue line in it for the police force, a red line for the fire. However you want to do it, it's really great and customizable. And you can't forget just a basic, simple cutting board here. Real simple to do, and anybody can do. And again, it's a good gift idea as well. So this project here can be used as a cutting board, as a stovetop cover, or a noodle board. These are real great gift idea. I appreciate you watching my video today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And also, if you like any of these projects here, I have a link for the playlist here, and you can look at each one of these step by step.